Hey, welcome to 奇门八字. Today I'm going to share with you how to use this 奇门八字and download the app itself to do a tabulation of the 八字. Okay, so I will use this presumption that you are using a Android, and we can go to Play Store over here, and we search under this called M Qimen. We stand for MQIMEN, M Qimen. So when you search for M Qimen, you will receive this particular app, and so you install this as it's doing over here, and once you download the app itself, this will be under the Android. So if you are using Apple, then the step is about the same. It's just that you are using Play Store instead. So now the M Qimen is ready. So let's look at the background to see where is the M Qimen. It's over here. Okay. So I will teach you how to set up the thing first. So if we give you a choice of this setting, so choose the language you want, 简体中文 English or 繁体中文. So in my description I will use the English. And which one to choose under 拆补, 滋润 and 音, you use the 拆补. And over here there are a few other boxes. Generally I will advise beginners to use this part, the number 3, and the top one over here. And based on this setting, you should be able to save this app itself. So every time when you use the app, this is going to be the set. You don't have to change anything. Alright, so in this aspect, how do we do a tabulation of your birth date? Okay, in this example, I will start a new app. Okay, now over here, assuming your birth date is born in 1982 and September the 10th, and from your birth certificate you see that you are born in 949. Okay, the rest in terms of zone and system you don't really have to care because it's automatically calculated for you. So now the next thing you have to do is you click on the chart, the button chart, and this is the chart that is being created for you. Okay, so this is the 奇门遁甲 chart that you can use for 八字 reading, and this will be you can take reference to it. I will not talk about how to get the information because it will be in another video. So from there you should be able to see the videos and understand how to see the information from it. Alright, let's move on to the next.